Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video, we are going to see how we can manage microfinance business in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the HR management, I will go to the employee list. So here you can see I have created two employees, that is staff and Sunil. So from here, if I select Sunil and I can set branch. So let's say Maharashtra branch. So here this Maharashtra branch just add to the Sunil. Now let's go to the access control list. So from here, if I select staff Sunil, so you can see I have given some access from here. So whatever access required we can give to the staff. So let's say customer create. So I will just add to access. So whatever access we have given, we can the staff can see from his login. After that, from the master setup, I will go to the branch hierarchy. So here you can see under global, I have created India and Maharashtra branch, and in Maharashtra branch, Pune and Mumbai is the groups. So let's go to the group management and create group. So here you can see Pune group is assigned to the staff and Mumbai group is assigned to the Sunil. So for example, let's say in the HR management, I will go to the employee list and I will select this staff and I want to change this name staff from, let's say, Madhav. So just update from here. So here you can see Madhav and Sunil. Now, and from the group management also I will go to the create group. So here you can see now Madhav has assigned to the Pune group and Sunil is to the Mumbai. So whatever, so after that in the customer summary also we can check the details of the assigned. So here if I click to the Madhav, you can check the all the information related to the customer which is assigned to the Madhav. And he can also see, he can check from his profile as well. So the Sunil can check the two customers assigned to the Sunil. So this type we can manage the microfinance business in Jainam software very easily. Thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.